You over 21, right?
Yeah.
107.
My bad. Going on.
This one?
Yeah.
The green sweet or
Green sweet, though.
sweetest y'all fun?
Yeah.
You over 21, right?
Yeah.
107.
My bad.
Coming up here looking like you recording. I know what they did all in here. And I seen you started talking. I was like, okay.
All right, thank you. About to go goddamn get lifted to the trees on some tree and chill the fuck out. It's supposed to rain all motherfucking day, so I guess I ain't gonna do shit. But network research. Glad I don't have to clock into nobody's job. You know, that's the perks of not having to be controlled. That's the most freeing thing in the world, not having to be controlled. Having the freedom to wake up, be like, if I don't want to go to work today, I'm not going to go to work today. I don't want to go do anything today, I don't have to do anything. I'm going to be different from the norm. Fuck being comfortable. I'm going to go out here and be like, you know, take a chance, you know. I'm going to go out here and dream. That I just bought from the store is not even in my pocket. Oh, ice. White House on green sweets.
You got ID on you?
Yeah.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Alright, got that. Let's try this shit again. And hopefully it won't fall out this time. Skirt! Skirt! It's almost that time to bring out my baby. Had to put my hat on. My head was looking like a fire head and shit. And I need to hurry up and plug my damn phone up. Because if I don't plug my phone up, it's about to die. And I'm trying to film shit. So who all still got their Christmas tree up? I do. I literally just smoked a whole fucking blunt to the head. Cause it's Thursday. I ain't got no job. And I ain't got shit to do. Fucked up, ain't That gas. It's that gas. It's that gas. I'm fucked up, man. I'm seeing stars, dog. I'm fucking seeing stars, dog. Alright, I'm back. Chill out, you know, and put some things together. Create something. If you're watching this video right now, then this is one of the things I put together today. I'm a creator, so I like to create shit, you know, every day. No matter what it is, it could be coming up with something and writing it down. I need to get better at writing down the things that I think of, because I think of so much shit in a day. And I try to remember that shit. And my mind is like working so fast. I always forget the best shit. So like now, instead of writing that shit down, if I don't write that shit down, I'm just gonna pull out my phone and just record that shit, put it together for you. So maybe it'll help you all, you know, build or create whatever you're trying to create also. So it serves a better purpose that way, you know. Because I want everybody to come up. I want everybody to do it big and flex with me. It ain't fun if you ain't got nobody to flex with you. Stay prayed up. Keep God first. And remember, this year, put yourself first. All 2020.